With the first vaccines rolling out for limited inoculations in the US and elsewhere, the race is clearly on between countries to begin the process of mass vaccination. Here's a look at some of the specific vaccines and the countries that have ordered them in bulk. Pfizer BioNTech. The dosage consists of 2 shots 21 days apart. Trials showed it is approximately 95% effective. People in the UK, US and a few other countries have already started receiving the first 2 jabs under the Emergency Use Authorization program. The one big potential problem of this vaccine is that it can only be stored at temperature levels below minus 70 degrees Celsius. AstraZeneca Oxford. 2 doses a month apart with trials showing different efficacy results. People who had received a half first dose had 90% efficacy, while the others who had received the full dose had 62% efficacy. Late stage trial numbers are expected within the next month. It can be stored in a refrigerator for 6 months. Known as Covishield in India, the Serum Institute of India applied to the Indian government for emergency use authorization. It is likely to be cheap, and because it is easy to store, most of the developing nations have hung their hat on the efficacy of this vaccine. They have also tied up with Russian vaccine developers to see if that collaboration can result in a better efficacy rate. Novavax. 2 doses 3 weeks apart. Trials for a COVID-19 vaccine here began in May, with initial numbers proving to be good. The numbers for ongoing phase 3 trials in a few countries are expected to come in the first quarter of 2021. The US-based company has already entered into a huge agreement with Serum Institute of India for the production of as many as 2 billion doses by the end of 2021. Sputnik V. 2 shots 3 weeks apart. The efficacy rate is at 91.4%. Clinical trials began in June. It has to be stored in a freezer. It has already been introduced for emergency use in Russia a few months ago. Johnson & Johnson. A one-shot vaccine at this point, with trials launched back in September. It will have a potential advantage over other developers if their one-shot jab works, because of the ease of storage, plus it requires only 1 shot. Phase 3 trials were paused to investigate an adverse reaction in October. Phase 3 results are expected in January. The company is also working on trials to look into the efficacy over 2 jabs of vaccine. Moderna. 2 doses split by a month. Trials showed an over 94% efficacy rate. It is expected to receive a nod for emergency use authorization in the US in the next few days. It can be stored at around minus 20 degrees Celsius for up to 6 months.